Hi guys! So in today's video I wanted to try out a curler that I bought since last year. I actually bought it around April or May last year when I still had short hair. Now I have long hair. I'm not sure if this is going to fit, but most probably yes. And the curler that I want to try out, you've probably seen this a lot in the past few years, but I just wanted to try it out. And it is the CurlFormers. I bought this set. It has 30 CurlFormers and it's for long hair. As you can see, it's still taped, even I have never touched it. I'm actually using it for the first time since I bought it. In here there are two sets of these hook that you, I guess, put together like that. And these are the CurlFormers. There's two colors because they curl different ways. Oh, I forgot to mention that the size that I got, or style, is the barrel CurlFormers. So I'm going to use the pink on this side and the yellow on this side, so this one curls away from my face, and same for the other one. So you're supposed to do this with wet hair, but my hair is sort of dry already. So I'm going to section my hair, half of it up. There's this clip, and in the middle I'm going to part. I'm going to spray some water. I bought this mousse. It's by Aveda. I've never really used mousse before, but I'm tired of using curling iron. It's like I curl my hair like 15 minutes ago, and next thing you know, the curls are super loose. It's almost like I didn't curl it. So I wanted to try this. I'm gonna pump some on my hand and apply it on my hair. So it says you're supposed to put this in. That's how I have it. I'm going to take a piece. I'm going to take a section from the back. This is too much or what? My hair is pretty thin anyway. I've seen some people twist the end, I guess, so you get all of the hair to go in. That was quick. That was easy. Because the videos I've seen, people act like it's super painful and it's really pulling their hair out. Maybe they put too much. Brush it, twist it. Easy actually. So much sticking out. Oh my god, I fucking hate it. I have to pull this one. So get a little bit to the edge. One side done. Ouch, my legs are not happy.
Let's get this one done.
Well done. Getting there.
Can for the front.
And there you have it. My whole hair is full of CurlFormers, and out of that 30, I have 4 left. Not even, because I didn't really part my hair evenly. I would say it was fairly easy to use. The only thing is the packaging said it was for long hair, but I still have little hair sticking out. I had to pull some of the hair up here because there would be a long straight hair at the bottom. If this would last longer than how my curls last with a curling iron, I would definitely prefer this over that. And also one more thing, I always keep getting burned with a curling iron. Who else? So yeah, I'll let this dry for a few hours. It's daytime right now, so I can't sleep on it. I'm gonna let it dry for a few hours. It shouldn't take long since my hair was a little bit dry. I just wet it with some water in a spray bottle and this mousse that I use from Avita, and I'll check back in a few hours. Okay, it's been probably like 2 hours now since I've had this on. I think I'm gonna remove it. My hair wasn't super wet to begin with. I just sprayed it with the water, and oh, by the way, I have makeup now because I filmed this look right here. If you are interested, I will be uploading this probably next week. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe down below and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. This look is super simple. It's probably like 2 eyeshadows over here, 2-3 eyeshadows. Yeah, let's get to removing it. I heard it's best to pinch the ends. You see it? I've got a nice big curl. Keep taking it out. See how it looks. They are a little bit wet. feeling